Then moving on to year two, they learn a bit more about the adverbs. Now, here they will learn more words, but longer words, more complex words, such as carefully, lovingly, sadly, nervously, slowly, silently. And they will associate these with more actions. And then moving on, they will, in year two, be taught the word adverbs. And they will be taught that the adverbs go with verbs, which are doing words. Adverbs actually describe doing words. So how did they cry? They cried sadly. How did they roar? They roared angrily. They shouted loudly. They sang sweetly. They danced gracefully. They whispered quietly. So children in year two will be taught the word adverbs, and they will be taught that they are used to describe verbs. And this is how the words are put together. Everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and teach GCSE foundation level English and maths. I have a parent teacher group and I answer all your questions in there, and you get access to this video and other videos that I've done so that you can refer back to them in that group too. I do 3 of these sessions a week, which last on the platform for about a week, and then I take them off and then they get archived into the group. So if you want to join the group, then the link and the details are in the description below. So come and join the group and then I'll happily answer any questions that you have. I also have a free parent teaching magazine, which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.